Hello everyone. Let's talk about upgrading your laptop's memory. Specifically, we're diving into the Adamanta 32GB DDR4 SODIMM kit. This kit comes with two 16GB sticks running at 3200 MHz, but it's also backward compatible. So if your system only supports 2933 MHz, 2666 MHz, 2400 MHz, or even 2133 MHz, you're still good to go. Adamanta uses Samsung ICs, which are known for their reliability and performance. The kit operates at a standard 1.2V, and it's a CL22 non-ECC unbuffered SODIMM, making it suitable for a wide range of laptops, especially gaming laptops. Compatibility is key, and Adamanta has you covered. They specifically mention compatibility with popular brands like Dell, HP, Lenovo, LG MSI, Intel, Acer Nitro, Asus ROG Strix, Gigabyte, Sony, Toshiba, Nuke, Ryzen, XPS, TUF, Predator, and Alienware. So, chances are if you have a gaming laptop from one of these brands, this memory should work. One of the biggest selling points is the limited lifetime warranty. Adamanta will replace defective memory with the same or similar specs. It's important to note that this warranty doesn't cover physical or cosmetic damage, and it only applies to Adamanta-branded memory, not major OEM brands like Samsung or Micron. Adamanta emphasizes that they keep hundreds of these kits in stock, so availability shouldn't be an issue. Plus, every single module is fully tested by the manufacturer before it ships. If you're unsure whether this memory will work with your specific laptop, Adamanta offers free technical support to help you verify compatibility. This is a huge bonus, as it can save you the hassle of ordering the wrong memory and having to return it. So, who is this memory for? It's ideal for gamers, content creators, or anyone who needs more memory for demanding tasks. Upgrading to 32GB can make a noticeable difference in performance, especially if you're running multiple applications at once or working with large files. The Adamanta 32GB DDR4 SODIMM kit offers a solid combination of performance, compatibility, and warranty support. If you're looking to upgrade your laptop's memory, it's definitely worth considering. Just be sure to check your laptop specifications to ensure compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.